Hi everybody, it's Mom, Dad, and Aiden, and we're here to unbox some items that Aiden got at Amazon.com. And the first item that we have, turn it this way, honey, is a drinking lucky bird. Wow, that's cool. There's the front, the side, wait, let's see, the top, the bottom, the sides. That's the side.
That's the back.
That's the back. There's the side.
There's the front.
There's the front. No, that's the front. That's the side. And then the other side. Okay, we're going to open it up. See what's in there. Get a brand new spanking one that looks good. Ooh, a green feather. There he goes. You move the box for Mama so I can see him. There we go. He's bobbling. See him bobbing?
Yeah. Let's get on to the next one.
Okay.